Today we're going to talk about the best home remedies and medications to stop that dry cough instantly, and the ones you need to stop wasting your money on. Let's get into it. Before we jump into the treatments, let's quickly understand what causes a dry cough. Now, coughs can be broken down into two types, wet coughs and dry coughs. A wet cough is a type of cough that causes mucus or phlegm. A dry cough doesn't produce any mucus or phlegm and often feels like a tickle in the throat or the chest. Today, we'll focus on dry cough remedies. There can be a number of different causes of a dry cough, including viral infections, upper respiratory tract infections, postnasal drip, GORD, asthma, allergies, environmental irritants, medications such as ACE inhibitors, and other lung and heart conditions. The most important part of treating a dry cough is understanding the cause of the cough, since the treatments will differ depending on the cause. If you're unsure where the cough is coming from, if you have any wheezing, difficulty breathing, if the cough has been there for more than 3 weeks, then make sure you speak to a healthcare professional. Number 1. Honey. Honey can coat the throat to reduce irritation and also helps to soothe the sore throat. It's actually been proven to be more effective than placebo and over-the-counter cough mixtures in relieving a dry cough both during the day and at night. Just take 1 to 2 teaspoons whenever you need. You can just swallow the honey straight, or you can mix it with some warm water or add it to some tea. Just make sure not to give it to babies less than 1 year of age. If you can, try to get Manuka honey, as there are additional benefits such as antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. Number 2. Water. Drinking water can rehydrate you and can help to remove any irritants in the throat. Number 3. Steam inhalation or humidifier. Steam or moisture in the air can help to moisturize the throat and stop it from drying out. Number 4. Saltwater gargle. Gargling with salt water can help to remove irritants in the throat, such as viruses and bacteria, reduces inflammation, and helps you to recover quicker. Add 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt to a glass of boiled and cooled water, gargle, and then spit it out. Number 5. Menthol. Menthol can help to decrease the cough reflex. You can find menthol in lozenges, cough mixtures, in steam inhalation solutions, and nasal inhalers. The study looking at menthol as a cough suppressant used it in a vapor form, so you don't need to take it orally. An additional benefit if you've got a blocked nose is it makes you feel like you can breathe better. Number 6. Marshmallow root, also known as Althea officinalis. Marshmallow root is a herbal product that's been around for centuries. When taken, it forms a protective film over the irritated throat and can help to stop a dry cough. You can find this in the form of a cough mixture or lozenges. Number 7. Sugar. Sugars can actually help to reduce a dry cough. If you've ever had a cough mixture or lozenges that seems to work, it may actually be the sugars that are helping rather than the medication. In lozenge form, they can actually help to stimulate saliva production, which can also help to prevent the throat from drying out. First up, we've got cough suppressants. Cough suppressants are medications used to suppress a cough. These include dextromethorphan, dihydrocodeine, and codeine, which is found on prescription. These medications work to reduce the activity in the part of the brain that causes coughing. What's interesting is these medications have been marketed as cough suppressants. However, the most recent studies have found that they're no better than placebo in relieving a dry cough caused by a cold or upper respiratory tract infection. This means if you've been buying a cough mixture every time you've had a dry cough due to a cold, then you've essentially been wasting your money. You'd be better off using honey. But I won't discount the placebo effect. Next up, we've got sedating antihistamines. There are 2 classes of antihistamines, sedating and less sedating antihistamines. The less sedating antihistamines, such as loratadine and fexofenadine, are useless in a dry cough unless the cough is caused by allergies. Sedating antihistamines, on the other hand, have been found to be beneficial in stopping a dry cough. Plus, they have a tendency to knock you out so you can get a good night's rest. A common example is diphenhydramine, which is found in Benadryl Original. You will also find these ingredients in nighttime cold and flu medications, as this is the ingredient that will help you to sleep. For a cough caused by postnasal drip, using a decongestant to dry up the mucus in the nose often will also stop the cough. If you've got more long-term postnasal drip, you may need a steroid nasal spray. Speak to your healthcare professional. For a cough caused by asthma, treat your asthma and the cough should disappear. For a cough caused by allergies, avoid the allergens and use a medication such as an antihistamine. For a cough caused by GORD, avoid triggers such as spicy and oily foods and treat the GORD using acid-reducing medication. For a cough caused by smoking, try to reduce smoking. And remember, if the dry cough is caused by an infection, make sure to get plenty of rest to allow your immune system to do its job. So now I'm going to throw in something a little bit different, which is acupressure. Acupressure is a traditional Chinese medicine therapy that applies pressure on specific parts of the body. There is some evidence that acupuncture can help to relieve a cough, and acupressure uses the same pressure points. Today, I'll show you one of the easiest pressure points called Heaven Rushing Out. This pressure point is found just under your Adam's apple or the large hollow at the bottom of your throat. Put pressure on this point for 2 to 3 minutes with your finger. Repeat it multiple times a day if you need whenever you've got a cough. Doing this can also help with a phlegmy cough. Now, did you know that a lot of off-the-shelf cold and flu medications don't actually work and you're actually wasting your money? So that comes to the end of the video. If you found anything useful in this video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!